How to activate ProReact using a license key in Cankado web. Visit our website cankado.com. Please log in with your registered credentials. Click on Cankado ProReact on top of the screen. You will get a page with all the ProReact products as shown. Click the product you need to activate. Click on Activate Now. Click here to enter the license key. Enter the license key here. Click on Activate Now. You will get a screen as shown. Select your gender by clicking here. Click on Next. Select your disease by clicking here. Click on Next. Select the drug you are intaking by clicking here. Click on Activate. You will get a pop-up as shown. Click on OK. You have now successfully activated your ProReact product. ProReact activation status will appear in the diary section of the activated date.